Diving deep into sklearn, Features Election, Select FPR, a comprehensive guide. Select FPR is a powerful feature selection method available in scikit-learn's Features Election module. It allows you to select features based on their p-values obtained from statistical tests. Typically univariate feature selection. This means it assesses each feature individually, independent of other features, and determines its relevance based on its relationship with the target variable. How it works. 1. Statistical testing. Select FPR employs a statistical test, e.g. F-test, chi-squared test, to evaluate the relationship between each feature and the target variable. The test calculates a p-value for each feature, representing the probability of observing the relationship between the feature and target if there was no actual association. 2. Thresholding. You provide a threshold, which is typically the false positive rate FPR. This threshold represents the maximum acceptable probability of selecting irrelevant features. 3. Feature selection. Select FPR keeps only features whose p-value is less than or equal to the specified FPR. In other words, it selects features with a p-value below the threshold, indicating a statistically significant relationship with the target variable. Key points. FPR and significance. A lower FPR indicates a higher confidence in the selected features, as it reduces the likelihood of including irrelevant features. However, a very low FPR might lead to excluding some potentially useful features. Univariate selection. Select FPR is a univariate method, meaning it considers features individually. It doesn't account for potential interactions or dependencies between features. Data types. Select FPR works with both continuous and categorical features, as long as the chosen statistical test is appropriate. Model independence. Select FPR is independent of the model you'll ultimately use for prediction. It performs feature selection based solely on the statistical relationship with the target. Using Select FPR in practice. 1. Import Python from sklearn, Features Election. Import Select FPR. 2. Instantiate Python Selector. Select FPR Scofun CF classif alpha 0.05. Scoffing the statistical test to be used, e.g. F-classif for F-test in classification. Fregression for F-test in regression. Alpha. The desired FPR threshold default is 0.05. 3. Fit and transform Python XMu Selector Fit Transform X Y X Feature Matrix Y Target Vector XMu Transformed Feature Matrix containing only selected features. Example. Python from sklearn, Features Election. Import Select FPR. F-classif from sklearn, Datasets. Import Load Iris from sklearn, Model Selection. Import Train Test Split Iris. Load Iris X Iris. Data Y Iris. Target X Train X Test Y Train Y Test. Train Test Split X Y Test Size 0.2. Selector. Select FPR Scofun CF classif alpha 0.01. Selector. Fit X Train Y Train X Train. Selected Selector. Transform X Train X Test. Selected Selector. Transform X Test. Now you can use X Train selected and X Test selected for model training and evaluation. Advantages of Select FPR. Simplicity. It's a straightforward method that's easy to implement and understand. Statistical rigor. It provides a statistically justified approach to feature selection. Model independence. You can use it with any machine learning model without worrying about compatibility. Limitations of Select FPR. Univariate nature, it ignores potential interactions between features, which might lead to overlooking important features. Sensitivity to data distribution, the selection results can be influenced by the data distribution. And outliers. Threshold selection, the choice of the FPR threshold can impact the number of selected features in model performance. When to use Select FPR. Large datasets, when dealing with many features and a limited computational budget. Select FPR can be a quick and effective way to reduce dimensionality. Prioritizing statistical significance, when you want to identify features with a statistically strong relationship with the target variable. Model independence, when you need to select features before choosing a specific model. Alternatives. Select K best selects the top K features based on their score. Select from model selects features based on the importance scores from a trained model. Recursive feature elimination, RFE recursively removes features based on their importance scores until a desired number of features is reached. Conclusion. Select FPR is a valuable feature selection tool for identifying statistically relevant features. While it has limitations like its univariate nature, it offers a simple and robust approach to dimensionality reduction, particularly when statistical significance is a priority. Remember to carefully choose the appropriate statistical test and FPR threshold to suit your specific needs and data characteristics.